So today in this video, I am going to tell you which I was taught during my induction program when I joined MBBS. So welcome medicos. Let's know what is SQR3. So SQR3 stand for survey, question, read, recite and review. Let's say it individually. So survey. This should be done before the lecture. So just do a basic survey, what all topics teacher may ask, what are the relevant things and how can you connect it with your day-to-day life, or is this topic maybe connected to something which is happening now in the country or the world. Then coming to the question, this may mean two things, either the probable question which teacher may ask during the lecture or the question which you want to ask the professor, which is related to the topic but not actually given on that particular topic. So like if you know that regarding this topic there is something happening in the world or there is a new innovation or new discovery, then you know that professor might bring out that point during the lecture. So you may go a step ahead, just search about that topic in internet and read about it. Then the next day when professor asks, tell the answer. Now read it. Read the topic once, either skim through the topic or read it once. Just read it. Even if you don't understand, just read it once. Then recite. This should be done. You can, like, before the lecture also read out loud the important terminologies, learn to pronounce that particular term, or after the topic, read out loud the important points. Then review. After you have done all this and the lecture is completed, now you have the basic idea, the basic gist of that topic. So review your notes one day after, 2 days after, 1 week later, and do it multiple times. Anyway, this is very important saying that recalling is better than reading again. So it will be easier for you, because if you have to go through the topic all again from zero, then it will be so tiresome also, and you may not have time to do that for every topic. That is why it is said that recalling is better than reading the topic all over again. Hope it helps. Thank you.